everyone, my name is Kajal and today I'm talking about 3 easy, simple resume tips that you can use to upgrade your resume, and they can be done in just a few minutes. So let's get into it. Number 1. Level of expertise for a given skill. We all know that we should include relevant skills in our resume. For example, if you're a software engineer, you would include programming languages such as C++ or Python. The way to upgrade your resume is to indicate the level of expertise for that particular skill. Now, this can be done in 2 ways. 1, words, 2nd, numbers. So let's talk about words. You can indicate you are a beginner, intermediate or expert along with your skill to indicate what level of expertise you bring when you say that you know a particular skill. 2nd is numbers. So for example, if you are a coder, you can write that I have done 5,000 plus lines of code in C++. This is a way to indicate to the other person that yes, you know C++, but to what extent. Number 2, using keywords in your resume. A lot of companies, especially big companies, receive hundreds of resumes and it is impossible for them to go through all of them. That is why they use automated tracking system, bots, or just plain simple filters to filter out resumes and only have few of them that they have to review in person. And the way they do this is through keywords. So that is why you should use keywords in your resume. Now, one trick to do this in a very simple manner is look at the job description and see what are the words that are highlighted and use that in your resume. For example, if the job description talks about teamwork, see if you can go to your group projects and include that word to indicate that you can work with a team. Another example is, let's say they say proficient in C++ and Python. So that is something that you can include in your resume along in your skills section. C++, proficient, Python, expert. By doing this, you will be able to ensure that your resume makes it through the filtering step. Number 3, add links to your internet presence. Right now, people do Google you when you apply for positions. So in your resume, include links to your GitHub account, your LinkedIn account, or even your personal website. Talking about my personal experience, in my resume, I had linked to my website, my GitHub, and LinkedIn. One of my interviewers walked in and said, "Hey, I checked out your website and I had some questions." By doing this, I actually skipped the whole tell me about yourself step and was straight away talking about my projects. So this person already knew who I was because they checked out my website. So include all of these links in your resume so that it helps you stand out and the person already knows certain things about you and it can help you give an edge over other candidates. So these were my 3 simple tricks that you can use to upgrade your resume and increase your chances of getting hired. Like I said, these are very simple and just takes a few minutes. So give it a try. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.